Alright, so the while loop. Now the while loop is very similar to a for loop, just instead of a for loop being a specific amount of times that we're going to loop through, the while loop is when we don't really know how many times we want it to loop. Now I'm going to set up the first while loop basically as a for loop, just to look at it. So while, now we need to have a condition inside here. This condition, I'm just going to say int I is equal to 0, or let's actually call this num. And so while num is less than 20. So basically we're looking, while num's less than 20, let's just print out x. Alright, so under this circumstance, we can see that num is always going to be less than 20 here. We're not doing anything to that. And so if we run it, it's just going to continue on going. You can see here, that's just getting longer and longer and longer, and it's just going to continue going forever. So what we've made now is an infinite loop. We're going to have to stop it from running, but we can see now we have just an immense amount of x's that have been printed. All right. To sort that out, what we can do then, I'm going to print the value of num, but we're also then going to say increment num each time. And so basically what we've created now is just a for loop. You can see there, it's going to do the same thing as we had done there. If we had done this for loop, the for loop for this would just be for int is less than 20. And that's basically what we've done here. But where the while loop gets useful is if we don't know the exact amount of inputs we want to put in there.